Once upon a time in a peaceful village nestled at the foot of a majestic mountain, there lived a young villager named Koji. Koji was known for his kind heart and his insatiable curiosity about life. He always yearned for wisdom and sought guidance from the village's wise old monk, Master Zenko. One sunny morning, Koji approached Master Zenko, seeking advice on how to find his path in life. He said, "Master Zenko, I'm at a crossroads. There are so many paths I could take, and I don't know which one is right for me." Master Zenko smiled warmly and nodded. He knew exactly what Koji needed. "Come with me," he said, leading the young villager up the winding mountain trail. As they climbed higher, the air grew cooler, and the trees whispered ancient secrets. Finally, they arrived at a breathtaking lookout point that revealed a sprawling vista of the village below and the vast expanse beyond. Master Zenko motioned for Koji to sit beside him on a large boulder. He pointed toward the horizon and asked, "What do you see, Koji?" Koji gazed at the panorama, the village, and the distant trails that disappeared into the unknown. "I see countless paths," he replied. "Each one leads to a different destination." Master Zenko nodded. "Indeed," he said. "Life is like these paths, my young friend. There are many options before you, and it is up to you to choose your own way." "But Master Zenko," Koji said, "how do I know which path to choose? What if I make the wrong decision?" Master Zenko smiled gently. "In life there is no right or wrong path, Koji," he explained. "Every path you take will lead you to valuable experiences and lessons. It is the journey itself that matters, not just the destination." Koji listened intently, absorbing Master Zenko's words of wisdom. He realized that the fear of making a wrong choice was holding him back from embarking on any path at all. "Remember," Master Zenko continued, "the key is to listen to your heart and trust your instincts. Your heart will guide you toward what brings you joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Embrace the unknown, for it holds endless possibilities." As Koji contemplated Master Zenko's teachings, a sense of clarity washed over him. He realized that he didn't have to choose just one path. He could explore different avenues, knowing that each one would contribute to his growth and wisdom. With newfound courage and determination, Koji thanked Master Zenko for his guidance. He descended the mountain, ready to embrace his journey and choose his path, one step at a time. Years later, Koji became a respected elder in the village. He shared his own wisdom with those who sought guidance, just as Master Zenko had done for him. And whenever anyone asked him how to choose the right path, he would smile and say, "Remember, my friend, there are no wrong paths, only different roads leading to extraordinary experiences. Trust yourself and choose the path that fills your heart with joy and purpose." And so, the tale of Koji, the young villager who learned to choose his path, continued to inspire generations to come, reminding them that life's journey is theirs to explore, and that every step they take is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery.